The most valuable and most overlooked airline card. And I'm not the only one that thinks so, because NerdWallet said it too. And in this episode of Before You Apply, we'll address the hype, controversy, and stuff you won't find on a website about the highly overlooked United MileagePlus Explorer Card. More importantly, what you need to know before adding it to your setup. But before we get into all that, hi, I'm Lonnie, and airline cards get a bad rap, mainly because they're perceived to not have much to offer. But to that I say, you're looking at it wrong. And today, I'm gonna break that down for you, open your perspective, and maybe even change your mind. So chill, and don't worry, as always, I'm gonna provide an independent and unbiased review of just the facts to outfit you with the proper info so you can make the best decision for yourself. And with that, let's talk about it. To start, United has 4 different consumer airline cards, all with their own special perks and unique traits. But in this video, I'm only going to be discussing the OG and staple, the Explorer card. But if you want a video about the other cards, let me know down in the comments and I'll put it on my list. Cool? Cool. Now, as I mentioned earlier, NerdWallet just awarded this card the Best Airline Benefits Credit Card of 2024. And you know what? From my experience, I agree with that. This card is packed with benefits that will provide you a smooth and stress-free travel experience, which can easily outvalue the cost of the annual fee. And to explain that, I'm going to break this into 5 key parts in which most people consider in a new credit card. And that's the welcome bonus, annual fee, earning and redeeming points, any credits or perks involved, and insurances and warranties. And as most people start and care most about the annual fee and welcome bonus, we're going to start there. The United MileagePlus Explorer Card comes in with a shockingly, yet very reasonable $95 annual fee. Yep, that's it, $95 a year. But then, that's way for you your first year of having the card. That's right, $0 your first year. I mean, we can wrap it up right here. Roll the credits. You know what? Roll the credits. All right, I'm back. But that's not all. The best part is there's no diminished value from that wave first year. You still get all the perks and benefits, which I'm going to get to shortly, without any loss in value, which makes it an easy try before you buy intro year card. Let's be honest. Most cards don't offer this. Now, don't go pulling a smash and grab right away. Hitting apply will still require a credit pull and could eat up a spot in your 524 bucket, so apply reasonably. Okay? In addition to all of that, for the baseline welcome bonus, it comes with 50,000 miles after you spend $3,000 in the first 3 months. I say baseline because you could potentially receive a 5,000 mile boost when using the in-flight promo code upon taking a United flight. Or, if that's not in your near future, you may also find a similar or even higher referral offer by using a referral link, like the one I have in the description below. Check to see what's available, and I thank you in advance if you decide to use it. Okay, on to the next point, the points themselves. Well, miles. Yes, this card earns miles, not points. When making purchases with the card, you earn and are awarded United miles, which are deposited directly into your United account, not Chase points. No, you cannot convert them to Chase points, just miles. But rest assured, as United miles do not expire, which is both awesome and convenient. Okay, getting back to it, the bonus categories is where some of the hidden value comes into play when using the card. You'll earn 2 miles per dollar on dining, on hotels when booked directly with the hotel, and at minimum with any United purchase. I say at minimum because when you book a fare directly through United, you'll earn 5 miles per dollar, which is a pretty good get. Still seems pretty dry? I hear you. But unlike other credit cards with bonus categories, this card rewards you just for having it and of course, flying United. Let me explain. Without the card, United provides mile multipliers when you hit a certain level of status. This starts at 7 miles per dollar at silver status and can go as high as 11 miles per dollar at their highest public status, which is Premier 1K. But as a cardholder, you'll receive 5 miles per dollar spent on flights booked through United, plus an additional 2 because you use a card, which means you'll earn 7 miles per dollar without having any status at all. And this kind of United stack also works on hotels when booked through United Hotels directly from the United website. You'll get 2 miles per dollar for the hotel, but then another 2 miles, as this counts as a United charge, equaling 4 miles per dollar, which is a very easy, no effort point stack. You're welcome. Sorry for the interruption. I definitely have some point stacks for you coming a little later in the video, I promise. But do me a favor and subscribe. It not only keeps Lonnie motivated, but also tells him what type of content you want to see. A special thanks to all the subscribers and channel members. Okay, enough of that. On to redeeming those points. Oh, and hit the like button to get back to the video. I'll be back in a minute. Now that we've earned all our miles, let's talk about how we can redeem them. I'll try to make this quick because there are so many ways to use these miles. They can be used to book award flights with United towards seat upgrades, hotels, rental cars, cruises, vacation packages, including all-inclusive packages to buy food in United Hub food courts like the one in Newark Airport towards your annual fee, if you keep the card more than a year that is, and United shopping catalog. Yep, I've used mine for Bose noise cancellation headsets, and I'm considering possibly for my next TV. Don't judge me. As you can see, United miles are incredibly versatile, so much so that still to this day, I'm still finding new ways to use them outside of booking just a flight, that is. Let's move on to the quirks, perks, and credits. And forewarning, there's a lot, which is great. Give me all the value. And no matter how you define value, this card will check a box. Check it out. First, for all you lounge lovers, I'll just get the 2 free United Club passes each year on your account anniversary out of the way. At a cost of $59 each, so $118 for both, we've already outvalued the annual fee. Can we roll the credits now? No? Okay, let's keep going. Priority boarding of Group 2 at a minimum. This will ensure you get your carry-on bag in a bin above your seat, no green tags for you. How about a fighting chance for an upgrade? Cardholders are prioritized on the upgrade list. In addition to that, you're put on the premier upgrade list when booking flights with miles, which is normally not allowed when you book with your miles. Also, no blackout dates when using your miles. Flying with a companion? Well, when you use your card to book, you and your companion will get 1 free checked bag up to 50 pounds in weight. And because United appreciates their cardholders, you could receive a discount on cash and award flights. They call this a Saver Award, and you'll see it when you book. Then when you fly, use your card and receive 25% back on in-flight purchases like food and premium drinks. This also works in United clubs and Polaris lounges. You may also notice that Wi-Fi can be discounted too. Thanks, United. For those status chasers like me, earn 25 PQP for every $500 you spend on the card, capped at 1,000 PQP per year. PQP, which stands for Premier Qualifying Points, are required to hit status tiers. Did you know that certain United status can get you free access to international luxury lounges? I won't be going over that in this video as it deserves its own separate video, but let me know if that'll be helpful for you in the comments. Okay? And lastly, for the international entourage, there's global entry, TSA pre-check, or Nexus credit every 4 years. And no foreign transaction fees. Nothing wrong with having an extra card or two with that feature. I'll take it. I'll also take its insurances and warranties. This really is an all-around card. Ready? Trip cancellation and interruption insurance up to $1,500 per person and $6,000 per trip for your prepaid non-refundable passenger fares if your trip is canceled or cut short for covered situations. Baggage delay insurance for delays over 6 hours up to $100 per day, up to 3 days. Lost luggage reimbursement if you or immediate family member check or carry on luggage that is damaged or lost by the carrier. Trip delay reimbursement if you're delayed more than 12 hours or requires an overnight stay. Then there's primary auto rental collision damage waiver for the US and also abroad. And for your everyday purchases, it also offers purchase protection for new purchases for 120 days and extended warranty protection for an additional year on select purchases. See, if you don't want too many cards or willing to feel loyalty to United, you can get a lot of everyday value. Now, time for the 1030, where I provide 10 hot takes in 30 seconds. So let me throw up a timer and hold up. Okay, I'm back. I had to grab a quick snack before I shared these point stacks. Oh, I got bars. Yeah, we're not doing the 1030 today. The people want to hear these point stacks because this is not just a credit card, it's a point stack card too. Check this out. United has United Shopping Portal, which has a lot of your favorite retailers in it. And when you shop through their shopping portal, you'll get extra miles. I've seen this as high as 20 miles per dollar. But that's not all. At times you'll get an additional boost when you check out and pay with your United card. Also, FYI, United has a Chrome extension for their shopping portal, and it'll just pop up when you visit a partner's website. Makes it super easy. There's a United dining program like any other dining program. Add your card, and when you dine at a dining partner, extra miles fall into your account like fresh Parmesan on spaghetti. Oh, here's one not a lot of people know of, the United MileagePlus X app. It's a gift card app. Similar to the shopping portal, you'll see partner retailers that you can buy a gift card for. Pretty self-explanatory there. But then when you purchase a gift card using your United card, you'll get a 25% boost on those miles earned. Then you can use that gift card for the same retailer in the shopping portal. That's a stack on a stack on a stack. And lastly, random spend bonuses. These are like bonus spend requirements that happen about twice a year. You could get an offer that states if I spend X amount, like $1,000 in 3 months, then you'll receive a set amount of miles. This is super easy to hit. You just use your card. Done and done. Okay? Back to Lonnie. What the heck is happening with this camera today? Anyway, still think that airline cards can't provide value? Maybe you have the wrong airline card. Just saying. Besides that, if you want to see another video like this one, check this out. Or jump to this if you're feeling something different. Catch you in the next one. Peace.